Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi band your home Mini should use, and that Bluetooth and location are enabled. Once done, plug in the Mini and watch the LED for a pulsing white light which signals setup mode. Then open the Google Home app, tap the plus icon, or select the device listed. You do this because the app discovers devices via local network and Bluetooth, speeding pairing and avoiding mismatched networks. You now guide the app through Wi-Fi provisioning. Select the Home Mini, confirm the device code on screen, then choose the correct SSID and enter the Wi-Fi password. If you have both bands, pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for less interference when close. If the Mini fails to get an IP, stop and restart your router and your phone. This refreshes DHCP leases and clears local cache, so the Mini can successfully obtain an address and connect. You finish setup by waiting for the confirmation tone and then testing with a simple voice command like, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" If the Mini is unresponsive or won't reconnect, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the center touch area for about 15 seconds until it announces reset. Make sure to inspect your router for AP isolation, MAC filtering, or restrictive co-S rules because those can silently block the device. Modifying those settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.